Alright, so for this DIY, we are going to make a planter, and I don't mean make it from scratch. We're just going to decorate an existing planter that I have just to make it a little bit more me. And this is all I'm going to be using today. So I have got the burlap that I've been using. This is from the Dollarama. They do have this at Dollar Tree. And then of course I have some twine. This is a really big one that I have, but you can get twine from the Dollar Tree as well. And then this is a plant. It is a ceramic plant that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And I was going to keep it as is, but as I look more at it, and I don't know if it shows on camera, but it has a lot of pink tones to it. And I really wanted a white planter because I do have these cute little plants I got from IKEA, which you'll see at the very end. And I don't like that pink tone to it. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to change this planter and make it a little bit more what I'm looking for. This is a really simple one, not even really a DIY, probably more of a craft, but let's jump into it. Now, before I go ahead and wrap this, I just wanted to give you some other ideas of what you can do with these planters from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has some really nice shelf liner. They do have like floral shelf liner and just different types that you can look at. This one I got from my dollar store, my Dollarama, but that's another idea too. If you're really into like that faux wood, you'd have to shape it a little bit because it's not the perfect shape of, you know, the shape of the actual planter. But that's another idea too if you wanted to just decorate it that way. But let's go ahead and get this covered. right, everybody, so here is the final product. I wanted to show you the plant that I got from IKEA. This is just a fake faux plant. It just looks like this, and then I stuck some cloth at the bottom of the planter to give it some height, and this is how it looks, and I think it looks really great. I love it so much more than when it was just that white pinkish kind of color. You saw that I put some of the twine above. That was just to seal in where the burlap didn't cover. You also saw that I had put 2 layers of burlap around, and I did it in sections because of the shape of the planter. So you can see right here is where I glued it, but you can't really can't tell. Let me know what you think. I absolutely love it. All right, so for my final DIY, I want to remake this planter, and same kind of thing. I'm just going to make my own planter. I don't actually have flowers yet to put in here, but I am using it for some more IKEA beautiful greenery flowers. And this container is already beautiful as it is. I actually really like it, just the plain old white. But as I mentioned, I do love making things a little bit more rustic-y, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and add more burlap. Another idea that I'm not going to do today, but I just wanted to share in case you're looking for some ideas, is using some kind of peel and stick faux wood. I got this one from the Dollarama. You can get a whole pack of 8 for $3.50. That would look really beautiful doing it like that, and then even up another layer. They also have this kind of faux wood as well. This is from the Dollarama, so for anybody who is in Canada or that visits Canada. I also have this that I got probably about 2 years ago from the Dollarama for $2, decorative rhinestones. So if you're really into maybe blinging it up a little bit, that can look absolutely gorgeous as well. Actually, if I was doing this for like my bathroom or my bedroom, that's what I would probably do. I love that. Love that. Now I'm second guessing my decision because I really do love that. All right, so let me tell you before I get started, I was definitely going to go this route because I love it, but I don't have enough. Let me just show you what I was going to do. Look how beautiful that would have looked. But I don't have enough. All right, so we're gonna go with the original plan. So let's jump on in and get this going. All right, so here is the final item. I did show you also some other alternatives, like with the welcome sign, which is from the Dollar Tree as well. But I decided just to leave the burlap. If I had enough of the rhinestones, I totally would have done it. But I wanted to show you what it was gonna look like. I don't have my greenery yet. This is some that I already had. I just love the IKEA greenery, so I'm getting more of this one. But I just wanted to show you what it was gonna look like once I get it in the mail. And I'm gonna put something underneath it to rise it a little bit. But this is the look that I was going for. Obviously it's not gonna have two different ones. I'm just showing you what it looks like when it's all nice and full. So let me know below, which one did you like the most, this one or the ceramic one? I know they're both done with burlap, but let me know which one is your preference. All right, well, thanks so much for watching, everybody. Love and peace to you all. Bye.